noget i regn. En virus. Den slår folk ihjel. Det er værre, end du kan forestille dig.
The Rain is about two siblings that, during this virus outbreak in Scandinavia, gets locked in a bunker for 6 years, and then they get out and join a group of other young people. It's about what happens when the world changes as we know it.
I play Simone. She has some facts that the other characters don't have, so they need her to survive in this universe, and that makes her kind of powerful.
The rain kills. So everyone who's alive is trying to find out why this happened and how will we fix it.
I was intrigued by portraying a world where nature had taken over.
And it's only about surviving, so you get this animal instinct to hunt and run and kill.
But it's also a story about friendship and love.
There is something underneath this awfulness that can be beautiful and caring.
What I think is interesting is that you get to follow these young people who have lost everything. So I think there will be one character for everyone to identify with.